Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to download the Shazam app in this tutorial. Let's get started. To begin, Shazam is an app that identifies songs and TV shows by listening to a short sample of audio. Now to download it, start by opening the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Search for Shazam app. Tap on the install icon to begin the installation process. Tap on Open once the download is completed. Now you can start using the app by following the instructed steps. And that is how to download Shazam app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.